Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to teach you how to make relatively cheap, very easy, simple, homemade pizza. So before we get started, if you like this video at any point, give me a like, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and let's just get right into cooking. Off by flouring a cutting board, and then put your pizza dough right on top of it, rest it, let it chill, get it a little room temperature, and then start kneading at it. Literally just do whatever you think the people in the pizza place would do, because that's what you do. Kneading the dough and getting it thin enough will probably take the longest, considering you probably haven't done homemade pizza like this before. While the dough's chilling, just put some oil in a pot with garlic and mix them around together. Pour a can of crushed tomato sauce in and stir up until you can't stir no more. Keep stirring and make sure you add red pepper, black pepper, and some grated cheese. I opt out of salt because the grated cheese provides it. I decided to make vodka sauce, so I added some heavy cream in, and I again opt out of adding vodka, because I don't think it really needs it. Now you start assembling the pizza. So you lay some oil down, then you put your sauce, and then you get your cheese. I set my oven to 400 degrees and I leave it in for about 15 minutes. Before you take out your pizza, just make sure the crust is golden brown, and if it isn't, put it in for another 2 minutes or so. I top mine with arugula, but you could top yours with spinach or really anything else that you want. I just love to have some greens on top of my pizza. And now we eat.